I just want to do a real quick testimonial for McCaig uh, Trust Mastery Bundle. It's been about 6 months since I enrolled in the program and started my first trust. And something interesting happened today. I've been sharing a lot of wins lately, a lot of successes that I've had with registering my trust with the state. I was able to lease a car into my trust. Previously, I've paid off a vehicle and registered that car into my trust here in California. I've opened up 2 bank accounts under the trust, and I helped my wife start a trust, um, helped my business partner who went in on the course with me. Um, and yeah, just, overall, I just have been reflecting. And one of the things that came up tonight was uh, not all of my successes, some of my successes, or maybe even equal the amount of successes, have been failures. And I just wanted to explain that a little bit. Today I had a hiccup with my new lease, my new vehicle that I leased. I was able to lease a vehicle, and the reason that I did it was because I wanted to build business credit and build up, you know, my business credit so that I could, continue to increase credit, and by having a lease in the trust that would allow uh, the credit to rapidly increase by paying payments on time. And I thought, hey, this is a great opportunity. And I crunched the numbers, and the monthly payment was right for what I can afford in my budget right now. And I just was reflecting, how much I've learned in the last 6 months, like how much information that John Jack McCaig has, relayed to myself and the other people that I'm learning alongside of. And so what happened today was that Toyota, the finance manager, actually called me up and said, "Hey, look, um, we reviewed your trust, and there's a typo on your notary page because I had written in um, that I had written my name in the wrong spot when I was to notarize my trust, and the notary had crossed it out, put their name, and then initialed, and then notarized it and said, "Hey, it's fine, it's," and I haven't had any issues. Well, I did have an issue at Bank of America. They didn't like that. So, but I've been able to use the trust and that notarized document in many cases and hadn't had any problems. And now I've had a problem with Toyota Finance, and they said, "Oh, you've been red flagged," and 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 I've been going through the process this evening of just being disappointed, and my ego's a little bruised from it because I was getting kudos and a lot of respect. Wow, that's so cool that you're able to do that, and I have it's a nice vehicle. I'm really excited about it, and I'm like, yeah, everything's working out. This trust program is great. But then this happened. I'm like, wow, like I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Like I sold my other vehicle, and I don't know how I'm gonna get a vehicle for that price monthly. That fits in. It was just such a good deal, and but I just like the bank accounts, you know, I'll take my trust and I'll go to another car dealership and I'll shop for that deal again. It's gonna take a little more time, and I'm very busy with my career. But I just wanted to give a testimonial on the amount of information and the confidence level that I now have in finance, in law, in business, in negotiating is just, through the roof. And I just wanted to convey to the current students and students to be that it is upon us to take the information that is in these videos and learn them. John McCaig has a vast amount of information that he's sharing with us, but he's only one man. It is up to us to learn the information and pass that on to others, so that he's not overwhelmed with trying to re-educate people one at a time. Like, let's utilize the multiplication of videos and really utilize the uh, the online platforms and the chat platforms to communicate with each other, what this information is, internalize it, and share it back out into the world, and share these programs to get them out there, because it has helped me out tremendously. And I have a testimony that is through these trusts in Jesus Christ, that you will find your way to the Father, and that through Him coming and bringing this information, it is making it easier for us to find God. It is making to find, and when I say God, I mean have a relationship with life and God, but also just to make life easier, to get better at it, to become a master at your own life. God will want you to come into his life, because God wants to be surrounded with saints and masters. So therefore, the more that we can take and master this information, the more attractive we are to God, to, have a relationship with this amazing Jesus Christ. And so I just want to say thank you. And just, such a learning. I just think back, like, how much I've learned over the last 6 months, and what I'm able to do now is what I've wanted to do for the last 10, 15 years. I've been studying, business, and never been able to find someone who's actually showing proof, actually showing how things are done and what to do in order to achieve it. Thank you.